moisture content, subfloor preparation, or overall site condition, these are the things that get rushed on usually. From what you have seen, which of these three causes the most long-term damage to a premium wood in India?
देखिए जो overall site conditions हैं, that includes subfloor preparation या moisture की conditions आसपास की, that includes. So broadly, it's extremely important that the site is ready for receiving the surface. So wood floor generally is a finished floor surface, right? So नीचे वाला जो subfloor है, जो उसके नीचे floor है, या आसपास जो उसके हो रहा है, क्योंकि ये finished material है, इसके बाद इसके ऊपर आपने कुछ नहीं करना वंस यू इंस्टॉल इट, राइट? सो ये इंटरैक्ट करेगा आसपास जो भी हो रहा है. तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट बाकी जो चीज़ें हैं आसपास उसके, या जिस फ्लोर के ऊपर वो लग रहा है, जिस सब फ्लोर के ऊपर लग रहा है, वो सब दोज आर इन लाइक ग्रेट कंडीशंस. सो आइडियल कंडीशन में होना चाहिए सो दैट दी सर्फेस परफॉर्म्स एज डिजायर्ड, एज एक्सपेक्टेड पोस्ट इंस्टॉलेशन. तो आई वुड से दैट इट्स लाइक वन ऑफ द मोस्ट क्रिटिकल थिंग्स जो फाइनल रिजल्ट के अंदर डेफिनेटली एक इम्पैक्ट करेगा कि कैसा फ्लोर अभी दिख रहा है आपको लगने के बाद और लंबे समय में कैसे परफॉर्म करेगा.
Engineered wood has wear layer, and wear layer thickness is one of the most misunderstood specs in the industry. How should architects be reading that number when they are comparing products?
So it's an important thing कि जो ऊपर की जो thick layer है actual wood की engineered floor के अंदर वो कितनी होनी चाहिए. Now it also depends on your expectations on the floor, right? So most of the time, sometimes some vendors would say कि अच्छा thicker the better, और या फिर इतनी thickness की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But both are very contextual things, depending on what kind of space it is, कैसे use होगा, then the right wear layer can be determined at that time. Example के लिए आजकल जितने भी घर बन रहे हैं, हमारे घर बहुत बढ़िया बन रहे हैं अंदर से, like these are like centrally air conditioned, very well maintained and all that, and the coatings performance on quality engineered products has gone up like quite high, right? तो in terms of जब normal traffic है घर के अंदर कोई ऐसी issue नहीं है उसके अंदर. So these products last very long, but to have a thicker top layer is just more of an insurance. For example, something happens and for some reason a part of the floor gets more abraded, right, than other parts. Then it is a possibility अगर आपके पास ऊपर thick layer है तो you can sand off the entire surface and refinish it to the same color or new color. That's the advantage. Now this is one of the very big advantages versus marble कि आप इसका color change कर सकते हो. Like if you've invested right now in a, let's say, a engineered wood floor with a 4mm top layer, ठीक है? So then 10-15 years down the line you decide to renovate the house, right? And at that time you think that the color which is in trend is not the one like you have at this moment. So since you have this top layer thickness, and depending on how it was installed initially, there is a possibility that the entire floor can be sanded to bare wood and then redone in a new color. At that time, imagine 15 years down the line, you're going to buy an engineered wood floor जिसके ऊपर आज की डेट में आपने शायद 1,000-1,200 रुपए स्क्वायर फुट खर्चे हैं. Looking at the inflation, 15 years down the line, it's more than likely that you'll be spending more than maybe like 2,500 or maybe 3,000 or 4,000 rupees a square foot. And at that time, if you're able to get it like sanded at a cost of maybe 600, 700, 800 rupees, I'm talking about the inflating figures, after 10-15 years broadly, you're still saving quite a lot that way. So that's so depending on like आपका horizon क्या है, how do you think, कुछ लोग बोलेंगे यार नहीं यार I just want to kind of completely change maybe 15 years down, नहीं किसने देखा है 15 साल और मैं तो पूरा घर ही change कर दूंगा, I'll go for everything new. Sure, then you might not need to kind of spend in, or invest in a 4mm top layer. But it is still advisable. ये कहना भी बहुत आसान होता है कि 15 साल में मैं फिर renovate कर दूंगा, but you don't know what the situation is, क्या situation है, उस समय आप करना चाहो नहीं करना चाहो. At least आज आपने पैसे, अगर you've invested it well, then you have a choice later. And the difference between a 2mm top layer and maybe a 4mm top layer product is not going to be so huge at this moment. So that is a possibility you could entertain.